What's up guys, Mika Matten here, and today I'm going to talk about how you guys can make more money renting out your camera gear. Some time ago I was looking for ways to make money alternatively in the video/film production world than just trading my time for money. And that's when I came across ShareGrid, which is basically like an Airbnb for all your camera gear. So if you're a photographer or videographer, this is definitely a place to check out. So it's super simple. You go on the website, set up your profile, and start uploading photos of pieces of gear that you'd like to rent out. So on my profile, I have a bunch of gear listed, such as my Sony a7S II, lenses, tripods, lights, mics, drone, etc. And what I love about it is that it's so easy to use and all your gear is protected and insured by the website. Over the last few weeks, I think I've made about $300 renting out my gear on the website. And keep in mind, this is money that I didn't have to go out and physically have to shoot and edit a project. There are other websites where you can also list your gear on, such as KitSplit, Rockify, but ShareGrid, I would say, is the most respected one. If you want to receive a $20 discount on your first rental, I have a code placed in the description. Side note, I've also been able to make a little extra cash by putting my gear on my Instagram profile and Facebook. One thing is to make sure that you always have contracts and that your gear is insured. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.